All right, today I'm going to be swapping out the lower control arms. The Maximum Motorsports are adjustable in the rear so I can get the car sitting how I want it. The current control arms are Team Z Street Beasts, which are definitely a good control arm for a street strip car, but I'm not looking to be going fast in this thing at all. So far I've taken out the shock bolts on each side and pushed down on the differential and popped out the Team Z rear springs. All right, my exhaust is V-banded, so I marked it on the V-bands so the tailpipes will go back in straight. Also, I pulled out the bolts in the torque boxes and the one back here. Mine are all 3/4. These are aftermarket bolts. I think I bought them from Team Z. So I'm gonna jack up the rear end a little bit, pull this bolt out here. That'll take the pressure off of the lower control arm. Pop this bolt out and then reinstall the Maximum Motorsports control arms. All right, there it is. Team Z lower control arm is out. The Maximum Motorsports is about to go in. I'm going to apply some of the silicone grease they send you to put on the bushings and throw it back in the car. All right, I got the bolt out here. I'm going to use my ratchet, pop it loose. Now the front bars will be easy to drop down. Okay, the old control arms are out. I got the new ones in, all bolted up with the Zert fittings put in. I'm going to install the spring, but first I need to lower this down all the way so it makes getting the spring in easier. Then I'll adjust it once it's at ride height on the ground. All right, I got everything back together and torqued. I'm going to put the wheels back on and set the ride height. Also, make sure when you put your springs in, you mount the curly Q back here going towards the differential on each side. All right, I'm all done. I got everything adjusted. I used a tape measure and then a 1/2-inch drive ratchet to adjust the spring perch on the control arms. I took it for a test drive. No noises, no nothing. Exhaust is back on straight. Thanks for watching.